Hello friends, today we will solve a question on fluid pressure. So the question says that the same liquid is filled in vessels of three different shapes up to the same height as shown in figures A, B and C. Each vessel has an equal base area. Let PA, PB and PC are the various values of liquid based on vessels in figure A, B and C respectively. WA, WC and WB are the weights of liquid contained in vessels in figure A, B and C respectively. Choose the correct option. So, the fluid pressure is H rho G. So how is this formula there? Let us derive it. So we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. Now the force is mass into acceleration or mg because it is the weight. So we write pressure is equal to mass into gravity, acceleration due to gravity, and the area is volume upon height. So here we get mass into gravity into height upon volume as the formula for pressure. Pressure is equal to mass into gravity into height upon volume. Since we know that mass upon volume is density, we get the formula for pressure as H rho G or height into density into gravity. Now we know that the density is equal because the liquid is the same in all the three vessels. So the density in all the three vessels is equal to is the same, and the acceleration due to gravity is also 9.8 meter per second square in all the vessels, and the liquid is filled up to the same height which is given in the question. So the pressure at all the points in the vessel, the pressure at the bottom of the vessel will be equal for all the three vessels. So we can cross out choice A and choice C, and now we will have choice B and we have choice B and choice D. Now we can see that the vessel A has least amount of liquid because the base area is same, and vessel C has the maximum amount of liquid in it. So since the density is equal and the volume is less in vessel A, so the weight of the liquid in vessel A will be less than the weight of the liquid in vessel B, which will be less than the weight of the liquid in vessel C. So we get choice D as our correct answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.